wanted to make some furniture for my G.I. Joes. So I have these little circle things. I think these are supposed to be bowling pins, but I think they'd look cool as legs. If I could position these just right, they might look good as a stool. I'm going to use super glue to glue these on. Hot glue works much better at this. Super glue holds, but it seems like the hot glue held better on some of the other furniture I made. Perfect height for a small stool. I have a lot of these little circle things. I believe they came out of when somebody was cutting holes for a doorknob or something. I stacked them on the stool legs for it to dry. There's another one I tried using just a small cylinder in this little wooden coin thing. Unfortunately, this one broke. Probably should have used the hot glue, because it seems like the hot glue worked better. Here was another thought I had, using just these square blocks of wood. I made a little table to go along with the stools using these round pieces of wood and this cylinder block. Some of this wood came from some toys, or the wood building block toys, and they're perfect for building stuff. I made a couple of small little benches, tables, stools, and a table. I think this looks pretty cool as maybe just a small table. I made 3 of these little stools, and I still have yet to paint them. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave them the wood tone or if I should paint them. I'll probably just end up painting them. I think the hot glue held better than the super glue. Well, that's all I have for you. Oh, and one quick message. Just a second. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button. I really appreciate it. Thanks for having patience with me. I haven't been uploading on a regular schedule. Life has been kicking my butt lately. But hopefully I'll get back to that. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video. Gracie's chasing critters. My backyard's turning green again. First lady's chasing Gracie, so hey, it all works out. I like that my backyard's getting green again. I can't wait to shoot more photo stories out here. This is that fig tree that I have in my yard. It's pretty cool.